Hi, I'm Byron Lindsay and I own the Revive High Wycombe franchise. I thought I wanted to work for myself but didn't really know what to do. So I looked at franchising and there's a lot of help there rather than just starting something off your own back. I looked at a few different smart repairs. I went to see various ones and it was just the feeling I got from Revive felt really sort of homely, good. I mean, it was quite small back then and it's grown a lot in the time, but it just proves that it made the right choice all them years ago. We set the business up, got it running, and we started the family, and I couldn't imagine doing my other job, having a family. This has allowed me to see them in the morning, see them at night, see them at the weekends. They'll even come in here to work if they're ill or off school sometimes and things like that. So they all understand it. My other half now works in the business doing a small admin role. So it's become kind of a family business now, and it allows me to spend time with my family. We've got 5 vans and we've got a workshop with 2 bays in. We're looking to grow still. We've got the workshop now, which complements the vans nicely. At the moment we're running about 50% retail and then I would say 25% trade and 25% national account sort of insurance work. Everyone's got 1, 2, 3 cars, haven't they? So, and I think they say 1 in 2's got damage on, so there's no shortage of cars to repair. It's just you need to win them and compete for them. We've got a lot of franchisees that are doing really well. So those kind of people you can bounce off as well. It's not just the franchisor, there's other franchisees, they're just as important. They're running the same business as you and they're in the same boat and they share the same goals, so they're hugely important. And then we develop into teams and categories we fit into, and we'll go on, so they call it the AGP, which is Accelerated Growth Programme, and we're fit into brackets of the people that we're around with our peers, and we'll share ideas, business plans and develop from there, and that's been very rewarding. I will come in, I will make sure all the admin work's done, I'll make sure everyone's got work for the day, I'll make sure all the customers are happy. There's always something to do. I come in with 5 things to do and end up with 100 things done at the end of the day. Running a business is always tough. There's no amount of franchising or any franchise or any business that's going to be easy, contrary to belief that you can do whatever you want and have time off and everything like that. But it has its challenges, but it definitely has its rewards as well. You've got to be a good people person, and you've got to employ those right people, and you've got to bounce off of those to make it work. If you've got that and they respect you, you do your job as sales and things like that, bringing the work in, they do their job as the technical side of things and doing the work, then it'll work really well. It's not something that's just going to happen itself, so you need to be very motivated. But if you've got a goal and you're motivated and you get the right people, then you should hit the ground running and go from strength to strength.